Hey everybody. This is the beginning of the week message telling you what to do during week 5. Now, for week 5, we have, of course, last week during week 4, we had our programming assignment, and there's the solution posted right here. If even if you did pretty well on that, I would encourage you to just check through the solution, see how it may differ or be the same. If you had trouble with the programming assignment, then definitely check through the solution. Your best bet going forward, if you had any trouble whatsoever, would be go through the assignment, build the project along with my kind of video on how it works, and then close the video and build it again on your own. Maybe make a few changes too. Because if you have trouble with this, the good thing is we're still going to use all these things that we used in this going forward, so you're going to get more practice with it. The bad thing is we're still going to use these things you're having trouble with. So the only way to get over issues, one would be to come find me, ask questions. Two would be to keep doing it, keep practicing. I posted the solution. Go back through some of the videos, see what you did wrong and why you couldn't do it. Now, this week we have one lecture and a test. Now the lecture is over random number generation. Random number generation is used in every type of program. Games, casinos, anything involving dice whatsoever has to have some sort of random number generation. I swing my sword and hit this slime. How much damage am I going to do? Well, do I hit it? Roll the dice, randomly generated. Do I, how much damage do I do? Roll of dice again. Set of numbers. What's the number that it's going to display? So this is just a little tutorial on how to do random number generation in C++. The test is going to be over specifically variables and user inputs, prints, that sort of thing. You won't have any if statements or anything on the test. But if you could do the Toy Store program, you should not have any problem on the test. I had a review posted last week. Definitely make sure you go through that. And the test should be relatively easy. There is a password for the test, and I always send it out with the beginning of the week message. And every semester it never fails. I always get several emails throughout the week. What's the password? It is in the beginning of the week message. Now, I may also post it in the announcements, it depends, but it will definitely be in the beginning of the week message. As far as the test goes, make sure you have time to take it. It's going to involve, like I said in the review, some terms, knowing what integers and floats and all those different variable types are, booleans, and then being able to read some code. Now for the code, you just simply look at the code, type in the box, what explicitly is going to display on the screen should this thing run. That's pretty simple. And then at the end, there'll be a program for you to write. And for that, you simply just open up, your whatever program IDE you're using, write the code, and then attach it, submit it. And of course, at the end of the week, I'll have to go through and grade all the tests. Please do not wait until late Sunday night to mail me what's the password at 11:40. You won't have enough time to do that test. So try to do it as early as you can, just like any other program or anything we're doing. That is the gist of what we're doing in week 5. If you have any questions or concerns or anything, well, obviously come find me, message me, whatever you need to do. I'll be happy to help. In fact, I've had people come to my classes or come to my office hours asking for help on programs, and I'm perfectly fine with that. If you have any questions, you're welcome to sit in my classes and ask questions about your project, work on it. I have a couple of programming labs where everyone else is sitting there working on their programs. You're more than welcome to sit there and work on yours too if you want and you have time. So that's it. If you have any questions again, send me a message.